Hi, I'm Sarah from Stampin' Up, and today we'll be making the Everyday Beauty Kit. With this kit, you can craft 9 cards with coordinating envelopes that are perfect for a wide variety of card-giving occasions. It features a stamp set with simple botanicals and everyday sentiments, and it's available in English, French, and German. As we walk you through the steps to complete this kit, feel free to pause or go back to any part of the video. It's totally okay to craft at your own pace. Let's get started. The faux wax seals are such a unique addition. If you liked crafting with a kit today, we have more kits to choose from. Just go to our online store to see the full selection. Click Shop Products and then Kits Collection to choose your next creative experience. Until next time, enjoy.